Assalamualaikum students and welcome back to your English class, and I am your teacher Miss Maria, and this video is for class 7th. So students, for today's work, what you have to do, you have to take out your activity books, your pencils, and open your page number 22. So I had known through different sources that you have done to why tortoise shell is not smooth with Ma'am Momina. Okay, and in this on this page we will do during reading. Okay, you have read the lesson with Ma'am Momina, so there will be a clear picture of that lesson in your mind about the events. Okay, about the sequence of the events, and this event was occurred on the first place and second, third, then fourth. Okay, so these are the events regarding their sequence. So you have to put the number, like this is the first number, this is the second event, this was took on the second number, this was took on the third number. Okay, the first one, when tortoise heard about the feast in the sky, he wanted to attend it. Then number 2, tortoise tricked the birds into allowing him to accompany them to the sky. Then number 3 was held, which what happened at the third? Tortoise cunningly chose a new name, all of you, so that the birds were left with hardly anything to eat while he himself had a sumptuous meal. Then the birds angrily took back the feathers they have loaned tortoise, so he could not fly home with him. Then tortoise asked parrot to take a message to his wife so that he would be able to jump from the sky without any danger. Then the birds finally had their revenge when parrot deliberately distorted tortoise's message, causing tortoise to crash on the hard ground. Okay, so put these numbers in the boxes. Then 2.3, yes, 2.1 is not included in your syllabus. Okay, this is excluded. Put the cross in this. Okay, okay ji. And don't forget to mention day. Today is 23/6/2020 and classwork end day is Tuesday. Now we are going to do 2.3, exploring traditional stories. Answer these questions. Number 1, where is this story set? This obviously the story was set in the sky. This story is set in the sky. Okay, when they went to a feast in the sky, okay, and he loaned feathers from the birds, and then they took back when they feel that he betrayed them. Okay, so the story was set in the sky. Who are the good characters? All the birds, hosts of the sky, and tortoise's wife are the good characters. ठीक है, in short tortoise के अलावा सारे characters अच्छे थे. ठीक है, the birds, hosts of the sky, the tortoise wife are the good characters. Who are the bad characters? The tortoise is only a bad character. ठीक है, write these answers on your page. Okay, move to the page number 23. Mention date on this page, and on this page what they are saying that this story builds interest for the reader through a series of actions. Okay, this was a story full of actions. Okay, give each event on the timeline an excitement rating out of 10 and mark it on the graph with a dot. Then join the dots to make an excitement graph for the story. ठीक है, they have given you few of the events that were held in the story. ठीक है, and you have to rate according to yourself that इन्होंने इस इवेंट ने आपको कितना एक्साइट किया था कि आप इस स्टोरी को आगे सुने और इसको पढ़ें. ठीक है, इट्स टोटली डिपेंड ऑन यू कि आप इसको कितनी मार्किंग देते हैं आउट ऑफ 10. ठीक है, इफ़ इट विल बी 0 और 1, इट्स योर चॉइस, कम्प्लीटली योर चॉइस. अगर ये 0 पर है ये वाला इवेंट, तो आप इस या 1 पर है तो आप यहाँ से करके, और इसके बाद ये वाला जो इवेंट है ये 0 पर है तो आप इसको ग्राफ यूँ ले आए, डॉट डालें यहाँ पे. ठीक है, वो कह रहे हैं कि पुट अ डॉट एंड देन हाईलाइट इट. ठीक है, एंड देन ज्वाइन इट. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जांपल ये जो थर्ड वाला है ये फिर आपका एक्साइटमेंट यहाँ तक है, तो इट्स टोटली अप टू यू कि आप इसकी क्या रैंकिंग करते हैं आउट ऑफ 10. ठीक है, But if you don't want to give your ranking, then here is the picture or video. And if you want to do the same like me, you can do. But if you don't want to, you can rank it out of 10 according to your ranking, ठीक है. and then make a chart like this, ठीक है. वो फिर चाहे आपकी पॉइंट्स यहाँ पर हैं, 5 पर हैं, 6 पर हैं, मैथ्स में आप लोग ग्राफ बनाते हैं तो उस तरह से आपने फिर एक ग्राफ इसका बनाना है. दैट इज़ योर होमवर्क, ठीक है. पढ़ लीजिएगा इन इवेंट्स को. लेसन आपने पढ़ा हुआ है, यू नो वेरी वेल अवेयर अबाउट द इवेंट्स एंड द एक्साइटमेंट दैट विल मेड you more excited, ठीक है, to listen the lesson or to read the lesson and then put the ranking and make a graph of it, ठीक है. Okay students, now take out your textbooks and open your page number 33. So students, today we are going to read about the spelling rules. Before doing this, don't forget to write the date. Today is 23/6/2020 and day is Tuesday. So today we are going to do spelling rules, ठीक है. When we write a spelling, ठीक है, we have some of the rules to write all the so we have different rules to write all the spellings, ठीक है, or the words. So why we need to know about the spelling rules? Because we need to know how to spell properly to help readers understand what we are writing about. Knowing how words are spelled will help us understand the text we read. Why we need to know about the spelling rules? Because they will help the readers to understand what we are writing about, ठीक है. Then knowing how words spelled, then we will be easily able to find out that in this writing or in this sentence they are writing it as adjective or adverb or as verb or as noun, ठीक है. So it will tell us that clear picture, ठीक है. Then some words in English sound the same but are spelled differently. There are few of the words who are spelled differently but they pronounce as the same. There are also words which are different but are spelled the same way as each other, ठीक है. So we have also different words, although they are different but are spelled the same way and as each other, ठीक है. Although they are different, their meanings are different, ठीक है, but they spelled in a same way. For example, the though sound as one spelling but many different pronunciations. So this though have a same pronunciation spelling but it have many pronunciations, ठीक है, like bow, enough, cuff, through, thorough, ठीक है. Move to the next page. The spelling of a word can also change when the word changes from one part of speech, nouns, verbs, etc. to another. What they are saying that the spelling of a word can be changed when we are changing its part of speech. For example, we are changing a pronoun, ठीक है, noun from pronoun, or from verb to adverb, ठीक है, from noun to adjective, or from adverb to adjective, or from adjective to adverb. It will be, so we will change the spelling of the words. For example, the following table shows how the spelling of certain adjectives change when adverbs are formed from them. What they are saying, they have given us the example of few of the words and then they are telling us that how spelling got changed when we have adjectives, ठीक है. Adjectives change, how adjectives got changed when we have to make a adverb from the adjectives, ठीक है. Complete the spelling rules for the following group of words. First word, able, and we have to make, this is a adjective, we have to make its adverb. So we will omit the e and we will add ly in it, ठीक है. Drop e and add y to adjectives ending in le, ठीक है. So when it ends with e, we add ly. Then we have gentle, it is also ending with l, we omit it and then we add y. Then angry, angrily, unhappy, unhappily, we omit the y and put ily, ठीक है. Pathetic, we didn't omit anything, we add ally, ठीक है. sarcastic, we didn't remove anything, we add a double ly. ठीक है. Wide, we add ly, we didn't omit any of the letter. Helpful, helpfully. ठीक है. Add ly to the whole word for other adjectives. Okay students, now take out your activity books. Open your page number 24. This is an exercise for spelling rules and this is 2.4 vocabulary. Spelling rules. The following tables show the spelling rules for forming adjectives from nouns and verbs. ठीक है. This is a table telling us that how we are going to change the words from adjectives to nouns. ठीक है. From nouns to adjectives. ठीक है. Study the examples and write in the missing rules. List other examples of your own. ठीक है. So first method is add the suffix ful. ठीक है. We have to add the suffix in the words. When the noun ends in double l, one l is omitted. ठीक है. If there is a noun ending with double l, we will remove one l and then we will add this full. ठीक है. For instance, skillful, they have removed or omitted the first one l and then they add ful, full. ठीक है. Willful, then fill, full, and chill, full. ठीक है. We also have to fill the missing blank, so we will did it like this: fill, full, chill, full. Then duty, full, beautiful, plenty, full. ठीक है. And if you have a word, then write it in this blank. ठीक है. Then add the suffix ous. Now we are going to add the word ous. When the nouns end in our, the u is omitted. ठीक है. Rigor, rigorous, vigor, vigorous, glamour, glamorous, glamour. ठीक है. glamorous, glamourous. Then humor, humorous. ठीक है. Then forming adjectives from words. Now we are going to make adjectives from the verbs. Now add the suffix ing. We have to add ing in the verbs. ठीक है. When the verb ends in e, the e is omitted. If there is a verb which is ending with e, so we will omit e and we will add ing. Like care is ending with e, amuse is ending with e, so we have to omit e and we will add ing in it. ठीक है. Like care, caring, amuse, amusing, use, using, refuse, refusing. ठीक है. Then add the suffix able. We have to add the suffix able. Adore, adorable, they have also omitted e and then add able. Excite, excitable, and then capable, move, movable. ठीक है students. So students, this was it for today's class. In the next, I will meet you in the next lecture with a new topic. So till that, stay safe, stay at your homes. Allah Hafiz students.